In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Chrome bookmarks step by step so you can back them up, move them to another browser, or save them safely for later. This is one of those simple but important tasks that every Chrome user should know, because if you ever switch devices, reset your browser, or just want a backup, exporting your bookmarks can save you a lot of time and stress. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where you'll find most of Chrome's settings and tools. From here, move down to Bookmarks and Lists. When you hover over that option, you'll see more bookmark-related choices appear. Click Open Bookmark Manager to continue. If you want a faster way, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-and-O on Windows, or Command, Option and B on Mac. That shortcut takes you straight to the Bookmark Manager, which is a great time saver if you do this often. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, you'll see your saved bookmarks organized in one place. Now, look again to the top right corner of the Bookmark Manager page and click the three dots there. This menu is specific to your bookmarks, so this is where the export option is located. From the menu, choose Export Bookmarks. After you click it, Chrome will open a save window and ask you where you want to store the file. Choose a folder that's easy to remember, like your desktop, documents, or a backup folder on your drive. Then give the file a name if needed, and click Save. Chrome will now export all of your bookmarks into an HTML file. That HTML file is important because it can be imported later into Chrome or into another browser if you ever need to restore your saved bookmarks. So once the file is saved, your export is complete. At this point, you can keep the file as a backup, move it to another device, or store it somewhere safe like cloud storage or an external drive. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Chrome bookmarks in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick browser tips and step-by-step guides.